Kate here with WTI, and check out the coolest hose that you can ever get. This is from TREEWELL, and it is seriously the most thoughtful thing ever. It comes in this awesome casing, which is of course weatherproof. There are 117 feet of hose in here, all nicely coiled up so you don't have that big mess on the ground. It works so well. You just retract the hose, you go as far as you'd like to go, and you quickly push it in and it will lock in place. When you're all done and you'd like to put it away, you'd simply retract it again and it will totally recoil up without any issue at all. At the end, there's an adjustable stopper so you can choose where you want it to end. It has a nozzle with 10 different settings. So for anything you need to do in your yard, whether it's watering your garden or maybe hosing off your car, anything you're cleaning, you can totally customize this for exactly the situation you want. It works so well. It has brass fittings on the end, just so well made. It mounts directly to your house. It has a mounting bracket. And check out that swivel. It also has a handle on the top. So if you do want to move it around, you absolutely can. It's super intuitive, but I don't know if you know how long 117 feet is. That will take you a very long distance. So if you're looking to step it up and have an awesome hose in your home too, I think you will absolutely love this one. And that's my point of view.